Welcome to the Weekly News Tracker, your go-to source for staying informed on the latest real estate happenings around the globe. We've got a sizzling lineup of 6 red-hot headlines to spice up your real estate radar. Let's move on to our first news, which was coming from Make My Trip. Make My Trip founder Kalra, Den Networks Manchanda, entrepreneur Gurnani buy apartments in the Camellias in Gurugram. These apartments ranging in area from 7,430 square feet to 10,813 square feet were booked and purchased between 2017 and 2023, but their conveyance deeds were executed in March 2024. Kalra and his wife Amrita Kalra booked a 7,430 square feet luxury apartment in the Camellias on 15 June 2023 and made the final payment on 16 December 2023. The flat with 4 car parking slots was bought for Rupee 46 crore. Manchanda and his wife Kavita purchased a 10,813 square feet apartment at the Camellias from DLF for Rupee 38 crore in December 2019, completing the final payment in 2021. Let's move on to next news. Mumbai real estate market records 11% rise in property registrations in April 2024. Property registrations in the Mumbai real estate market grew about 11% to 11,648 in April 2024, from 10,514 a year earlier. Stamp duty collections from property registrations went up by 16% to Rupee 1,043 crore in April 2024 from Rupee 900 crore last year. On a month-on-month basis, the total number of property registrations stood at 14,149 in March 2024, along with stamp duty collections of Rupee 1,123 crore. In April 2024, Mumbai real estate market experienced the second highest number of property registrations for the month of April in over 12 years. Out of the total properties registered, central and western suburbs together constituted over 73% of the property registrations. Let's move on to next news. Prestige Group sells Rupee 1,300 crore worth of uber luxury residences in South Mumbai. The company had pre-launched Prestige Ocean Towers, which has just 169 residences spread over 2 acres. The project has a developable potential of 4.62 lakh square feet carpet area with an estimated revenue potential of approximately Rupee 4,100 crore. Prestige Group pre-launched 75 residences with a potential of Rupee 1,700 crore and has sold more than 70% of the pre-launched residences. Prestige Group entered Mumbai just 2 years back and has already sold close to Rupee 6,000 crore worth of inventory. Let's move on to next news. American Express opens its largest office worldwide in India. American Express, a global payments company, has announced the inauguration of its expansive 1 million square feet campus in Gurugram, Haryana, located in Sector 74 of Gurugram. In phases, the employees will begin moving to the new facility starting from the end of this month. The company has additional facilities in Gurugram as well as in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Pune. American Express in India provides support for every division of the company, in addition to delivering innovative products and services to customers in India. Let's move on to next news. Bangalore tops list of cities with highest rental yield of 4.45% in Q1 2024. Bangalore led in Q1 2024 with a rental yield of 4.45%, followed by Mumbai at 4.15% and Gurugram at 4.1%. Driven by corporate employees returning to work, Mumbai's rental yield increased from 3.5% in 2019 to 4.15% in Q1 2024, marking a 19% growth. Gurugram followed closely, with rental yield rising from 3.5% in 2019 to 4.1% in the last quarter. Bengaluru's rental yield in pre-COVID 2019 stood at 3.6%, which amounts to a growth of 24% in this period. Top localities in Bangalore witnessed a significant rental increase of 40% or more between the end of 2022 and Q1 2024. Let's move on to next news. MahaRERA tells developers to declare parking space details to homebuyers. The Maharashtra Real Estate Regulatory Authority has asked developers to include details of parking spaces allotted or sold to homebuyers in the sale agreement and allotment letter to prevent any ambiguity and future disputes. The regulator responded to multiple complaints from homebuyers addressing issues like obstructed parking due to building beams, inability to park in allotted slots, difficulty in opening vehicle doors, and insufficient maneuvering space. MahaRERA issued a model draft clause to be included in the legal documents by the developer. This will contain all details such as parking lot number, length, height and width of the parking space, and the location of parking slot offered to the homebuyer. MahaRERA will enforce strict adherence to the circular and standard draft clause, aiming to prevent parking-related inconveniences and frustrations for homebuyers post-move-in. If you don't want to miss any update of real estate, do subscribe our channel now.